welcome to Crewe Seat. This is a quick video tour of one of our cars we do have in stock. So this is one of our trade-in vehicles, which is too good to trade, so that we are selling it. This is the 2015 Volvo V40 diesel hatchback. This is an SE 1.6 litre manual diesel vehicle with 5 doors. This vehicle comes in this lovely blue colour. And here we have got the standard alloy wheels, just 16 inch. Got the side indicator just stripped there on the side mirror. So come round to the back. We've got the V40 detailing just there. I'll show you the boot. So we've got a nice sized boot as well, just in the back. This vehicle does come with reversing cameras, which is located just there. I'll show you the quality as well when we go inside the vehicle. This is in great condition, and this vehicle's got electric window switches and part leather with white bespoke trimming in the back. The 3 seats just there. Okay. The side mirrors are electrically adjustable just there, and the window switches. Got the dashboard just there. This black leather steering wheel, gear stick and handbrake. I'll just turn the vehicle on. So just there, got the display with access to the radio and some other features on there as well. Lovely mat space. And if we just start the vehicle, just show you. There we go, we've got the camera just there as well, which is a lovely feature to have. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to pop down to Crewe Seat or give us a call. Our direct line is 01270 864 430. Thanks very much.